Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy XRP on Binance for the long term. First, you will need to create a Binance account. After signing up, complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, to unlock full trading capabilities. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator or SMS verification, to protect your assets. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly into your Binance account using a bank transfer or a debit or credit card. Alternatively, if you already own other cryptocurrencies, you can transfer them from an external wallet to your Binance account. Ensure your chosen currency is supported for direct XRP purchases. Now, let's purchase XRP. Head to the Buy Crypto section on Binance. Select XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies and choose your preferred payment method, whether it's fiat currency or another crypto. Enter the exact amount of XRP you wish to acquire. Carefully review all the order details before confirming your purchase. Your XRP will then appear in your spot wallet. For long-term holding, consider transferring your XRP to a secure hardware wallet, like a Ledger or Trezor, for maximum security. This keeps your assets offline and safe from exchange hacks. A smart strategy is dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of price fluctuations. Always review your investment strategy periodically and avoid making emotional trading decisions based on short-term market movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.